Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade ham salad using an easy method. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked ham, half a cup of mayonnaise, and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. For added flavor and texture, finely chop 1 stalk of celery, a quarter of a small onion, and 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. Don't forget salt, pepper, and a dash of paprika to taste. Now let's get to the preparation. First, dice your cooked ham into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size. This ensures a consistent texture. In a medium bowl, combine the diced ham with the mayonnaise and Dijon mustard. Mix well until the ham is evenly coated. Then, gently fold in your finely chopped celery, onion, and sweet pickle relish. Next, it's time to season your ham salad. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking, along with a small pinch of paprika for a subtle warmth and color. Stir everything together thoroughly. Always taste a small spoonful and adjust the seasonings as needed. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the ham salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Your delicious homemade ham salad is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Serve it on your favorite crackers, as a sandwich filling on toasted bread, or even in crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or chives makes a lovely garnish. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.